Well, I may not know where I'm going. Hell, I couldn't tell you where I've been. If you keep doing that. Do you want to work on the boat, or do you want to work on the land? You want to come get on the boat? Okay, so the way you do it on a tall ship, I don't know if this is how you have to do it, but you get strips of cloth, usually old scraps. I bought a roll of webbing for a couple bucks. Cut it into a strip. On the end of the strip, you cut a slot. Like that. Then, what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a permanent marker. We're gonna write the name of the component. So right now, the jib club block. So now we have a tag with the jib club block. What we're going to do when we take off the jib club block is we're going to put this through it like that and mount it on our jib club block. So now we know when we have a giant pile of blocks, which block is the jib club block. So I'm going to be making a bunch of these for all the rigging. Now, did I need canvas webbing? No. Does it match the aesthetic? Yes. Y'all getting mullet?
Yes, sir. We're going to try to.
Y'all sell it in town, like smoked?
No, sir. We sell the farm seafood in there.
Oh, dang. Is there anywhere in town I can get one smoked?
In this town, I'm not sure.
Dang. All right. Oh, well. Thank you. Schooner, go over there. Schooner. Okay, deep breath. Here we go, guys. We got to take this mast down. I was stressing out about it just a little bit. It's the biggest one I've taken down on my own. But it's pretty easy. The mast is on a tabernacle. It's designed to pivot back. We know the physics of how it works. We're going to use an A-frame that's going to give us lateral control, and it's going to give a nice angle for the forestay line, or the jib halyard is what we're going to use, so that the mast isn't being pulled at like a horizontal, you know, it's kind of like a crane. The A-frame's pretty simple built. We got a hinge, some all thread. I put a shackle in the middle there. I can take it all apart in 5 minutes and throw it in the back of the truck. Tested it out real quick. Seemed like it was going to work, so let's go check it out. Just like follow me around with it. Explain what we're doing. Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so we're going to lay this mast down at the tabernacle. We have the jib halyard rigged up to our A-frame. The A-frame then goes to the jib boom, the bowsprit down here. We have a secondary line on the forestay with another purchase as a safety backup. So what we're going to do here is get this loose. The mast is going to pivot on this bolt going backwards as we slowly relieve and add slack to the line. It should slowly, under control, move aft, pivoting on this bolt. And luckily, none of these sockets are the right size. Unbolt this pin. Alright, we can probably. Alright, start easing. Alright. Okay, hold it there. Alright, start easing. Hold. You gotta foul it. About to foul again. That's okay. If it's done, let her just run through. Wait. Alright, 1 sec. Okay. Go to the chain is almost in there, but not quite. Wait, hold it. Nice. Okay. Hold it there. Alright, let's stop there for now. Alright, then we're gonna